Kum shibanta ban plelat iki Heprit bagin pen iya kasap kapong jongki hakashat katem kapot bat karwai kasiau. Kasen Edmund School Shillong hakasinto adiang kalapenlong ya ka Junior School Concert ya ka boleh shimbanta shitrem daki kena nado kelas 1 hado kelas 4. Kum babarok ngiatip ba hagajeng pulih ki school amdai tangi ki kon. Ndrai ki wig benta ki ban kentiu ki kena ki dairu kum kini ki concert. Tungine kmi shipor ya kini ku khubor.
the little details. You saw the fairy waving her bands, the wand. No, she was, waving away, waiting for that girl had to change. Magic doesn't happen just like that. So it is good. All that is part of education. These little boys, this is the first time we had a junior school band. First time. Oh, look at them. Right? Drummer, keyboard, violin, cajon, guitarist. I mean, fantastic. I can imagine what they'll be later. So you can see the development and how these children are doing well. Studies is not everything. And I was just looking at it the other day. I was looking at one of the reels where music helps children to be better communicators. Fantastic. And you see lots of movement taking place abroad where children with music are being, encouraged. Helps concentration. It helps focus. And these children are all in that. It's fantastic. Please encourage your children. And if you look at the results, I think these children are very happy. And you parents, I'm grateful to you, you're also happy. When I look at them, I see the success, the way they grow, the way they develop, it's no wonder people even go to the court to get admission in evidence. Correct? It's a vindication, that our school is very sought after, right? Why not? Okay? So it's a plus point for us, right? They'll do anything. Go to the social media, this, drama, do all that kind of stuff. One day I must do a reel myself. Okay? But fantastic parents, thank you so much. Your children are doing very well. Keep encouraging them and try to minimize this if it's possible. Okay? Get them involved in these activities and they'll be very good. Boys, you are very good. Excellent. Okay? First class.